In a world driven by digital economies, the Tanzania education system remains anchored in heavy theory and endless examinations. Every year, thousands of young minds enter classrooms with a clear destination. They follow a compass handed down through generations, a compass that promises stability, employment, and a secure future. But for many in Tanzania, this compass is broken. It points towards an economy that no longer exists, leaving a generation stranded at the gate of the digital age.
Baada ya kuwa na kompyuta yako utaandika doctype HTML. After then uta open HTML.
This is the digital divide. In classrooms across the nation, technology is taught on blackboards. Practical software is reduced to memory tests. The divide between urban and rural areas widens every day. While the global market moves forward, our youth are left disconnected from the opportunities of the digital economy. When aspirations collide with reality, dreams are rewritten out of survival. Talents are buried under the weight of unemployment, and the disconnect between the classrooms and the actual job market widens. But the narrative is shifting. The broken compass can be fixed, and the revolution of practice has already begun at institutions that refuse to be left behind. At the Institute of Accountancy Arusha, theory meets into practical application. They are forging a new generation of graduates, professionals who don't just hold paper certificates, but possess the actual skills to sculpt pixels and frames into reality. They are ready for the global market. The future is digital, and here, the future is already in our hands.